Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome to English class and unit 1.1 Be the best and topic is warming up. Now students, first activity is given a chit chat. I will ask you some questions and you think about it and try to answer it. Now, the first question is, have you got a prize in any competition? And the answer is, yes, I have got a prize in drawing competition. Yes, I have got a prize in swimming competition, etc. Now, second question is, how do you feel at that time? And answer is, I felt very happy at that time. Now, the third question is, have you ever failed in your efforts? And the answer is, yes, I did fail on some occasion in spite of my efforts. And fourth question is, do you think we should accept success as well as failure? Yes, we should accept success as well as failure with the same spirit. And the fifth question is, what will be your reaction if you are not selected in a team? I will feel sad if I am not selected in a team, but I will try to find the reasons of it and work on it and improve myself. Now, students, pay attention on the second activity. Read, copy, and observe. Now, the number one. Number one, A. Read aloud the following sets of words. A. River, stream, sea, ocean. B. Hill, stone, mountain, rock. C. Plant, sapling, tree, seed. D. Child, adult, baby, youth. Now, activity number B. Rearrange each of the above sets of words according to the increasing order of their size. And for example, first set river, stream, sea, and ocean. Now, students, arrange the arrange these set according to increasing order of size. Now, answer is stream because stream is small and bigger river. So then bigger. First of all stream, now then come river, then comes sea and then come ocean because stream is smaller than river and river is smaller than sea and sea is smaller than ocean. Now second set hill, stone, mountain, rock. And answer is stone, rock, hill, and mountain. C. Plant, sapling, tree, seed. And the answer is seed, sapling, plant, tree. And last set child, adult, baby, youth. And the proper order is baby, child, youth, an adult. Now students, read and complete. In your pre-primary classes, you must have learned the story of the lion and the mouse. Read it in English and fill in the gaps using words given in the box. Options are given in the yellow box. Now, first of all, let us read the options. Help, angrily, caught, forest, mouse, kill, roared, free, chewed, heard, and laughed. Now, read the story. Let us read the story. A lion was sleeping in a blank. A mouse started playing on him. The lion got up blank. He caught the mouse and was ready to blank it. The blank begged the lion to leave it and said that someday it would blank the lion. The lion blanked and let it go. One day, the lion was blank in the net set up by hunters. He blanked loudly as he tried too hard to escape. The mouse blanked the lion and came. It blanked up the net with, with its sharp teeth and set the lion blank. Now, students, try to fill the gaps and let us read the story again. A lion was sleeping in a forest. A mouse started playing on him. The lion got up angrily. He caught the mouse and was ready to kill it. The mouse begged the lion to leave it and said that someday it would help the lion. The lion laughed and let it go. One day, the lion was caught in the net set up by hunters. He roared loudly as he tried too hard to escape. The mouse, the mouse heard the lion and came. It chewed up the net with its sharp teeth and set the lion free. Now, moral of the story is a friend in need is a friend indeed. And second moral is never underestimate anyone. Now students, homework for you. The first question, solve all the questions in chit chat activity. And the second question, read and complete the story. Now students, thank you all of you. Thank you all of you and have a nice day.